Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is Indian traditional paintings, and this topic is for the fifth semester of students of fashion department. In this presentation, we are going to learn about the different historical and famous paintings in India. So let's start with the presentation. These are the types of different paintings which are famous in India. Rajasthan painting, Mysore painting, Tanjore painting, Madhubani, Pattachitra, Kalamkari and Mughal painting. Now what is a Rajasthan painting and what is the historical you can say qualities of this painting are as follow. Rajasthani painting, also known as Rajput painting. Rajasthani painting is a style of Indian painting evolved and flourished during the 18th century in the royal courts of Rajputana, India. Rajput paintings depict a number of themes, events of epics like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, Krishna's life, beautiful landscapes, and humans. The colors were extracted from certain minerals, plant sources, conch shells, and were even derived by processing precious stones. Gold and silver were used. The preparation of desired colors was a lengthy process, sometimes taking weeks. Brushes used were very fine quality. Another is Mysore painting. Mysore painting is an important form of classical South Indian painting that originated in the town of Mysore in Karnataka. Mysore traditional painting art offshoots made a great historical contribution to the art of India. Mysore painting are known for their elegance, muted colors, and attention to detail. The theme for most of these paintings are Hindu gods and goddesses and scenes from Hindu mythology. You can see the images of Mysore painting in which uh, the traditional gods, the traditional history of mythology, their scenes, the images of gods and goddesses are used. Another is Tanjore painting. Tanjore painting is an important form of classical South Indian painting native to the town of Thanjavur in Tamil Nadu, India. The art form dates back to about 1600 AD. Tanjore painting are known for their surface richness, vivid colors, compact compositions. Tanjore paintings serving as devotional icons. The themes of most of these paintings are Hindu gods and goddesses and saints as well. You can see the images of Tanjore painting. In first image, you can see the 10 Sikh gurus with Bhai Balla and Bhai Mardana. Another is Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting or Mithila painting is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of Bihar state, India and adjoining part of Terai in Nepal. So Madhubani painting is one of the famous or richest painting in India. Theme revolve around Hindu gods and mythology along with scenes from the royal court and social events like weddings. Generally, no space is left empty. The gap are filled by painting of flowers, animals, birds, and even geometrical designs. In this painting, artist uses leaf, herbs, flowers to make the color which is used to draw painting. So, you can say the natural colors will be used at that time for the painting. Next is Pattachitra painting. Pattachitra refers to the folk painting of the state of Odisha. Patta in Sanskrit means vastra or clothing and Chitra means painting. These paintings are based on Hindu mythology and specially inspired by Jagannath and Vaishnav culture. The painters use vegetable and mineral colors without going for factory made poster colors. They prepare their own colors. The painting the Patta Chitra resemble the old murals of Odisha, especially religious centers of Puri, Konark and Bhubaneswar region dating back to the 5th century BC. Next is Kalamkari painting. Kalamkari or Kalamkari is derived from the Persian word kalam pen or kari craftsmanship, meaning drawing with a pen. The Kalamkari tradition chiefly consists of scenes from Hindu mythology. Kalamkari art has been practiced by many families in Andhra Pradesh and has constituted their livelihood over 3000 years old. There are two distinctive styles of Kalamkari art in India. First is Shri Kalahasti style, and the another is Machli Patnam style of art. Now, Mughal painting. Mughal painting is a particular style of South Asian paintings. Mughal painting were a unique blend of Indian, Persian, and Islamic styles. Brilliant red, blue, and green colors predominate. The pink, eroded rocks, and the vegetation plants and blossoming plum and peach trees are used for coloring. Mughal kings wanted visual records of their deeds as hunters and conquerors. Their artists accompanied them on military expeditions or missions of state or recorded their prowess as animal slayers or depicted them in the great dynastic ceremonies of marriages. So in this presentation, we learned about the different historical paintings, their origin, and the scenes which was used, methodology which was used in that printings. So I think you all will be understand the presentation very well. So thank you very much.